Good morning, guys. What? Spy all the way down here to 388s today. It actually got all the way down here to the 385s. I would love an open at 385s because I got puts from the swing trade last night. It's funny because yesterday somebody in the stream asked me if I did any swing trading, and swing trade. Took the 390 puts, May 27th expiration with me overnight. We'll see how they want to open up. We'll see if the spy can open up down here somewhere. That'd be a beautiful thing for me. But so far looking pretty good on those puts, especially since I picked out, 10, well, now it's a 9-day expiration date, so we'll see how it goes. Guys, yesterday somebody did not claim their prize. So what does that mean? It means that we're going to do the raffle today. So, got to start adding names again. So let me start looking through here. Dwayne, good morning. Jose, what's up? Good morning. Mark, what is going on? Guys, I'm putting you all in the raffle. Because remember, the way to get into the raffle is by participating in chat. You type in chat, your name goes into the raffle. At the end of the stream, we will go ahead and get that done. Young, good morning. Grizz Gores. I can't do the last name there. I don't know what that says, my man. I'm sorry. But I will be putting you in the raffle. I had to really type this slow. That's really long. I got you, though. I got you. Grezg, you are in the raffle. Trading with Tidu, what's up? What's up? Glad to see you on here. Francisco, good morning. Dan B, what's going on? Oh, you're the one who asked me about the swing. Well, there you go. I'm in the SPY 390 call. Sorry, 390 puts. 27th expiration date. So those are in the money now. That's nice. We'd like to see a really nasty gap down on the SPY. See if we can open up down there 387, 386. That'd be nice. The Elvis. What's up, my man? 383, 384 is where I think we could see today. I mean, we got pretty close to it. Decently. I think we could see that today, though. Today or tomorrow, possibly. As far as 375, I mean, for the low of the year, I don't think we're ready to call that yet. 370s, 371, 372 is still very much a possibility. And if things don't get under control by then, I mean, 360s isn't far-fetched. Marshall. Gotcha, Marshall. Good morning. Trina. Gregory. Gotcha there. Good morning. Joey, what's up? Gotcha in there. Gresgors, I gotcha, man. Don't worry. I think I got the first name right. Grezagors. Grezagors or Gresgors? Which one of the two? Aaron Aaron, my man Aaron's in the house, guys. Aaron, gotcha on here. All right, guys. So I got everybody so far. The comments in the comment section, I got you. Well, in the chat section, I got you in the live stream raffle for today. Remember, the way to participate in the raffle is by commenting in the chat section. I write down your name in the wheel of names at the end of the stream after we've gone over all the tickers you want to go over, formulated the watch list. Right around 8:55, I try to run the raffle, and the winner must be present to claim their prize. All right. So the price depends. If you've won in the past, if you haven't won, the price will change. So once you are named the winner, then I'll tell you how to contact me. You reach out to me. I tell you what you won, and we get you set up. All right. Okay. The second one. So it was Grezagors. I got you, man. I'm trying. Yeah, Nick. What's up? All right, guys. Any tickers you want me to take a look at for you right now, start throwing them up in chat, or any trading related questions. Maybe you want to ask me how to trade a specific pattern. You can go ahead and ask that. Let's get to work. Guys, remember you can join me 2 weeks for free for DTC Lite. Trade with me live every day. Oxy. So Oxy, I mean, as far as a long setup, you'd want to see it hold these 63s. Excuse me, you'd want to see it hold these 63s. You can see here clear as day how this was such a big level of resistance previously. You'd want to see it hold that level, in my opinion. You're also going to be dependent on crude, but the overall market will be putting a weight on that. So I'd say you want to see it hold 63. Otherwise, if it cannot hold that, I think you come back down here to test the 50-day moving average again, somewhere down here in this 50-day moving average area. It's been a level of support here for a while. You can see it clear as day here on the chart. All these higher lows have been against that 50-day moving average. SIGA has received approval from the FDA. Boom. SIGA. Get a little pop now. There's some pretty clear levels right here around 850. And you could see what happened here. Look, you could see resistance, resistance. And what happened as soon as we broke through 850 here in pre-market with a little bit of a volume increase, we shot straight up to $9.80. However, we do have those 980s, $10 resistance right here from the past. Yep, 980s. So 10 bucks is a resistance zone on this thing. If it gets up over that, it's looking like it's new all-time highs. So those will be some levels to watch on SIGA. I'm gonna just write it down here on my notes, and then we'll come back to it later to see if it's still in play, and maybe add it to the watch list if needed. INDP has news as well of approval of phase 1. I mean, this $3 zone would be a level to watch. You could see here previously level of support, 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 resistance. The only thing with it is that you have 330s resistance here because of the 50-day moving average and a little bit of some tops back here. You see that there, right? Resistance. Right in here, a little bit of minor support back here, 50-day moving average there. So it makes it a little bit tougher for me to like it anyways. It's still definitely something to watch, especially if $3 can hold support. It's got a little bit better volume than the one we just watched, SIGA. Can I review a bull pattern, like a bull flag? Jose? I'm guessing that's what you mean. So the answer is yes, of course I can. I will show you guys exactly what you want to look for in a bull flag setup. Okay. Good morning, Robert. Let me add you to the raffle. I'll show you exactly how to professionally analyze a bull flag setup. I'll say it just like that because a lot of people won't teach you that properly. They'll say, oh, this is how you trade a bull flag. You want to see how people will show you? This is what people will tell you. People will literally tell you, here you go, you have a bull flag set up. You buy the break out of the bull flag and you take profits as you go. And that's it. They taught you how to do a bull flag setup. No, wrong, incorrect. That's not how it's done. That's not how it's done at all. Okay? That's terrible. To properly analyze a bull flag setup, you have to take into account volume. Volume is absolutely essential. And I go through this in many patterns in my courses. All right. That's why I always tell everybody, like, if you want to start out and you want to test things out, you check out DTC Lite. That's fine. That's all good and dandy. But you're going to want to check out DTC Pro because that's how you get access to all the courses. Morning, John F. Let me put you in the raffle. We'll run the raffle at the end of the stream, right? Why? Because proper education is needed. So here you have a bull flag setup, okay? And it doesn't matter if it's a $2,000 stock or a 50-cent stock. The bull flag setup is the bull flag setup. It doesn't matter if it's a stock or if it's crypto. It's a bull flag, okay? What you want to look for in a bull flag is you want to see that steady climb, which establishes your flagpole, okay? Here's your flagpole. That's your flagpole. And you want to see big volume on the flagpole, okay? Then you have your flag consolidation here, right? This is your consolidation. What do you want to see when you're consolidating? The king, good morning. I'm gonna add you to the raffle right now. When you're consolidating, you always want to see decreasing volume. You want to see smaller volume than you saw on the way up. And a bull flag, all right, the flag portion is nothing more than consolidation. So you want to see decreasing volume. If you are consolidating in here and the volume as this stock is going lower and consolidating is going higher and it's just not clean volume, it doesn't disqualify necessarily the entire setup, but that is kind of like one strike. You want to see decreasing small volume like this, okay? That is showing you signs of basically just passive selling, a little bit of profit taking. In other words, it's not showing you signs of panic. Every time that we tap the highs or we bounce a little bit, right? You don't want to see a big old volume bar, right? You don't want to see that happen. You don't want to see that happen. You don't want to see that, all right? I'm going to erase all this again. What you want to see is you want to see the flagpole with the big volume. Then you want to see this flag consolidation on the decreasing volume like you see here. See how the volume is decreasing? And then when you're coming out of the flag, let's say you're going to buy, okay, we're just going to go over one way of trading it. I'm showing you how to properly analyze it. Let's say you're going to buy the breakout, okay? You want to start to see this volume increase. That'll give you confidence that you could have further upside. You see how the volume starts to increase compared to when the volume was just consolidating? That is how you get confidence in the bull flag. And you could buy inside of here. There's various ways of managing risk, all right? We're not going to have time to go over all of it, but I'm just going to show you the one way of analyzing, well, the only way to analyze the volume, and then one way of trading it with a buy on the breakout, and then you can take profits as you go. But you should be asking yourself right now, Jesse, that's all great and fine and dandy. Where's my stop loss? Because a good trader is always going to be more interested in how much money they might lose if they're wrong, because being wrong is a part of the game, than how much money they're going to make if they're right. If they're right, they're going to make money. So if you're buying the break out of the flag, your stop would be if we break back inside the flag. Then you stop out of the trade. Now, there's a bunch of other different ways of trading this, and I teach them with the team. I teach them in the courses, and I do them live with them when I trade a bull flag. But we don't have time to go over all that now because it's already 8:35. But I hope that helps. I hope that helps. Any other tickers you guys want me to look at for you? Airbnb. Let's go take a look at that one. That was a great question, Jose. I hope that helps. Okay, so Airbnb, woof, man, I think this thing has more downside to it possibly, but there's no chart pattern down there. I mean, there's no chart setup down there because of the simple fact there's just no price action down there from the past, right? So now you would look for 111 to possibly hold resistance on little bounces. Maybe you can short it or grab puts. Mark Campbell says, this is the best description of playing a bull flag I have heard from anyone. This is awesome. Oh man, I'm happy. I'm happy to hear that. I think you're a DTC. I mean, I'm pretty sure you're a DTC Lite member. Imagine if you ever upgrade to DTC Pro, when you go through the courses. Dan says, do you wait for the candle to close on the breakup? No, not me. Keep an eye on the volume. Keep an eye on the time and sales. And if we break out, you know, depending on the situation, depending on the setup, on the day, depending on many factors, like how strong that stock is on the day or how strong the market is on the day, that specific sector, etc., I might just buy the breakout. Sometimes I just might buy inside the flag. It's just many different ways. All right. Any other tickers you guys want me to look at for you? Guys, remember, in order to participate in the raffle, you must comment in the comment section and then be here by the end of the stream to claim your prize. Do me a quick solid and hit that like button for me as well. We got 29 people watching the live stream and 19 likes. So any other tickers or anything like that you want me to go over? Otherwise, I'll just jump into some of the scans and some of the news. Exactly. Always the key is volume. Rule number 1. Boom. You nailed it. Good stuff. That's exactly right. Carlos, gotcha, man. Thank you. Good morning. I will put you in the raffle. Remember, guys, you must be here by the end of the stream. Stream ends around 9 a.m. in order to claim your prize. If you're selected, we will run the raffle live here on the Wheel of Names. Mark, thanks for hitting the like button. Appreciate you putting you in the raffle. Well, one thing's for sure. You know what? I'm going to show you right now. I love Mark Campbell's, I love his comment. He's like, I'm definitely thinking about doing the DTC Pro, but I'm in the money building stages. Watch this. I want to show you something. All right. This is an open testimonial that one of our members posted in the testimonial tab the other day. I took the 5-day free trial a year ago and was only able to participate 3 trading days due to other commitments. Once the trial was over, I occasionally came back to lurk while looking at other sites and Discord groups. I was getting lots of information overload, not knowing how to put it all together to execute profitable trades. During this time, so they're in that account building time, my account dwindled down to 95% of its value. I finally bit the bullet and bought the 1-year membership. I am now trading with the remaining 5% of my account balance. As of today's closing, I am 12 trading days in and my account is up over 200% in gains. My 1-year subscription is paid for and I'm making money. I should have signed up last year. Imagine where that member could have been had they signed up last year and gone through the courses, right? Properly, gone through everything. Man, so sometimes going through the right education is the key. Well, I would say sometimes no, but probably all the time. Qs. Let's do the Qs. So the Qs this morning have tested the year's low. And I don't see any reason necessarily for them to hold it. I think that cracks. Don't know if it cracks today or tomorrow, but I think that level cracks. I don't think that level can hold. I don't think it can hold. Excuse me. I don't think it can hold. I think it cracks. And if that level cracks, you have a little room here towards 280. Under 280. I mean, honestly, under 280, 260s? 266, 267, and then the 260s. You know, simple as that. That's what it looks like to me. SQQQ, you could see a little bit of resistance up here around 67. Obviously, you have this immediate potential resistance right here. After that, you got room to 67. And then TQQQ. You have these previous lows back here at 27, which were underneath now. Watch for potentially that level to become a little bit of resistance. You got room to fall to 25s. Under 25s, you really have room to fall. 21 to even 20. Good morning. What do you think about BGXX? Ernesto, let me add you to the raffle real quick. Remember, guys, in order to be participating in the raffle, you must comment in the chat section and then be here by the end of the live stream when we run the wheel of names. There's not much to think about here at all. BGXX, there's literally only 2 candles on, on the daily chart. If it can hold above 37, 36, it's got potential. You can see it here. That's the level you want to see hold. But there's nothing else. I mean, there's literally nothing else here. There's just 3 candles. There's 2 candles. And then there's today's candle that's starting to form. I feel like BBIG is just, yeah, it's in this channel. There's no changes here. 194 support, 355 resistance. AMC, still 13 resistance like we talked about yesterday. If the market kind of implodes a little bit today, we might see this thing drop back down here towards 11s, mid 11s. Yep, Dan, my courses, I also have swing courses. So here are the courses: Day Trading 101, Advanced Day Trading, Options Trading, Short Selling, Swing Trading. Futures Trading will come out, well, in the future. Additional resources, video lesson library with hundreds of videos. And that's for DTC Pro members. Jose, I heard about that. That's funny. Oxy, we went over earlier in the stream. 63 would be the level you want to see hold support here. If it cannot hold this level, I'd watch for a test of this 50-day moving average. Andre, let me get you into that. Into the raffle. Futures are bloody red. That's awesome. We got puts, swing trade puts from yesterday. Let me go over to my alerts. So my broker's not open. Like, I don't have my broker platform open just yet. But I'm long the SPY 390 strikes, 27th expiration. Poolman, what's up? Got you in the raffle, my man. Just making sure I have everybody that's commented. Yes, yes, yes. Yep, got you all. I got you all in the raffle. My pleasure, Carlos. Do I got you in the raffle? Yes, I do. Okay, perfect. All right, guys. So any other tickers you want me to take a look at? We could do it for like another couple minutes. And then I'm going to start making the watch list because got to make that watch list. Yesterday got away from us pretty quickly. We'll go over Tesla wholesale. Don't worry. It's definitely going to be part of the watch list. Usually is. Look at us, SIGA. Remember, we just talked about $10 being a resistance zone. Boom. The 980s to 10 bucks. Bang, right there. Resistance. Getting stuffed. At least for now it is. NVIDIA. All right, cool. You know what? Those are going to be on the watch list anyway. So let's just jump straight away into that. NVIDIA. I'd watch that 168 zone. Maybe see if that holds a little bit of resistance. I don't like where it's at too much, to be honest. I feel like it's in a little bit of a choppy area. It would have to break I think it'd have to break 162. Yeah, 162 area is going to be a tough zone on it. Dan, we do a weekly watch list. And that weekly watch list could be done for swing trades. And we also have a swing trade moderator in the Discord who posts swing trades all the time. Here, I'll show you. Real quick. Swing trade. Here's trade alerts. Here's my trades. Here's the swing trades that Umberto posts. And it's just constant onslaught of charts and swing trading information. So much. Like this just goes on and on and on. For months. For months. Look at this. And that just goes on like into last year. When we started the Discord. Okay, so on NVIDIA, I'd probably watch and see that 162 can hold support. If 162 holds, you know, maybe you get a little bounce. But if not, if 162 cracks, watching the 162 area to see if it cracks. If it does, could have room towards 154. That's how I'll write that up. Carlos, yes, I think we have more red coming. I don't think this is the year's low. Just like when we had this low back here, I didn't think that was the low either. The Russian-Ukraine invasion, I was on YouTube and in the live streams and in YouTube shorts, right? Saying this is not the low. This is not the low. I called this sucker's rally back here. I called this sucker's rally here. Yesterday, I think it was, I saw somebody on Twitter say, the low is in. What other catalyst is there to send the market lower? And I was like, what are you talking about? We don't need another catalyst to send the market lower. The catalyst is already out there. We need a catalyst that establishes a low. We need something that changes things and can give the market a bounce that's breathable. Like, the market has the same catalyst. Inflation is running rampant. Business is starting to struggle. The consumer is starting to get hurt. Okay, and interest rates are going higher. The war is still going on. Supply chains are still jacked up severely. Like, it's not about, oh, we need another catalyst to send us lower. No, we don't. We got plenty of those, and they're out there. We need a catalyst that solidifies a low. We don't have that yet. So I think until we get that, the market keeps going lower. Excuse me, guys. Young Love, good morning. Do I got you in here? Let me put you in the raffle. Guys, remember, you got to be here by the end of the stream in order to participate in the raffle. And to participate, you got to comment in the chat section. So, CMRX, what do you think of the purchase? What do you mean? What purchase? Oh, look at who is in the house. Guys, Joan All, the host, moderator of the stream, business partner. He's not supposed to know this, but he's like my little brother. But he's just a business partner that I fire on the daily. That is your site administrator over at the daytraderchatroom.com. All right. So any tech questions or if you want to ask for a coupon code to join DTC Pro, that's the guy to ask. Ugh. You see, this is why I don't tell him. That's why I don't say nice things to him. It goes to his head immediately. Guy's already an all-around best person. Tell you, man. CMRX. I I'm not sure what we're talking about there, Pullman, with CMRX. What do you think on the purchase? I don't understand. If we're looking at the charts, I just watched the $2 zone. That's the gap entry. If that holds support, you got room galore. It doesn't mean it's gonna have to make that move. You know, you do have some room there towards 220s and then 250s. Dwayne is a DTC Lite member out there, or DTC Pro, I'm not sure, man. But either way, he's a member of the DTC community, and he says I fire Jonal twice a day. That's only publicly, Dwayne. For Jonal a whole lot of other times. All right, so let's get into the SPY real quick here, because wow, time is really going, guys. Time is really going. So SPY, watching the 384 area for support, for bounce. If this area cracks, we could fade down towards my God, 372 at least. 372 area. I'll also be watching yesterday's low, 390. I will also watch 390, yesterday's low, for resistance for a drop into 384 zone. Okay, so primarily I'll be watching 390, yesterday's low, for resistance to see if we can get that to drop us back down towards 384. However, if 384 holds support, you can watch, like if we open up at 386 and we go boom, 384, 383, we might see a jump off of that to 390. And then 390 is where I would look for resistance. For resistance again, okay? Tesla starting to bounce back a little bit here. This is what I don't like sometimes about when they sell off too hard in pre-market. The bounce backs, you know, by 9:30 really take a whole chunk of profit away. I'm really hoping that we would open up down here at least, so that those puts would be just nice, fat, and juicy. But we'll see what happens. I got a little bit of time on them. Those are from 27th expiration. So Tesla, I'd watch yesterday's low. Yesterday's low is $700.81. Watching yesterday's lows for resistance. Could have further downside into, I'd say that's 660s. The mid 660s probably, which would be level back here, small level back here of resistance and support on the daily chart. Tim Doe, good morning. Let me add you to the raffle here real quick. Brent, good morning. Let me add you to the raffle. Okay, so we got SPY, Tesla, Nvidia on there. Let's go take a quick look at AMD. AMD with a little bounce back here. Yesterday's low is 95. We're above. We're 95.71. We're on our way to test it. If that area holds resistance, you could see this thing drop back down towards 91. Ricardo, good morning. Let me add you to the raffle. All right. SIGA. SIGA coming all the way back down here towards 850, and that's fine because that is, you know, a previous resistance zone here on the daily chart. We might look for support there, so I'll write that one up. Watching for 850 to hold support, could have room towards $10 area. All right, and then we have INDP. I don't really like this INDP just because that 50-day is right there, but it is holding up well so far in pre-market. So INDP watching the $3 area for support, could have room towards 4 if it can break and hold the 50-day MA. So you got SPY, Tesla, NVIDIA, SIGA, and INDP. Those are the ones we have on watch right now. Kashra, good morning. Let's put you in that watch list. I'm sorry, in the raffle. Got you in the raffle there. What you want me to take a look at? ILUS. ILUS. You ideally, probably chart-based, would want to see this thing hold above 10 cents. You could have some room here towards these mid-13s, that 50-day moving average. I would imagine this thing will need some sort of catalyst to get moving. Tim says, I'm on vacation, so it's been hit or miss with trading, picking up some Disney under 100. I'm definitely watching. Yeah, Disney. I think Disney might even have a little bit more further downside. All right, guys, it's time to run the raffle. The watch list is made. I will put the final touches on the watch list, and I'll get that sent over to Jonal so he can send it to you. If you're not on the watch list, well, then there you go. There's the link in chat. You can click that, put your email, and we'll send you the daily and weekly watch list in there. And again, one last time, you got DTC Lite, 2 weeks for free. DTC Pro, $50 off. And if you're looking for scanners, Trade Ideas is giving you 2 weeks test drive going on right now. So let's go ahead. All those links are in chat. Let's run this raffle. We got everybody's name up in here. Let's see who wins. Oh, there we go. Joy, you won. Joy, are you on here? Joy Butifico. I hope I said that correctly. Are you in here still? If you are, post up there in the comments section, in the chat section actually, and let us know you're here so you can claim your prize. Thank you. She's coming. Mami, ahora yo voy, nene. Yo voy ahora, mi vida. My 2-year-old is running in here 100 miles an hour. Joy's there. Boom. Congratulations. Guys, we will be doing more raffles. We do these every week, multiple times a week. All right? They're just done sporadically in the moment. Joey says, I never win anything. Well, you won this time, man. So, in order to claim your prize, all you have to do is go here on this Discord link. Oh, Jonah, I already exited and all the names got erased, my man. Sorry. I can't spin it, Jonah. I don't have the names on there anymore. I don't have the names on it, man. See, if you would be here every morning, you could handle this. Yeah. Joy, you're fired. Not Joy, Jonah. Joy, click that link. Joy, click this link in chat. That's the Discord. That's the free section. Go in there. Send me a DM or Jonah. I'll put you guys in touch, and Jonah will get you set up with your prize. I do not, the king. All right, guys. It is time for me to start getting on over to the Discord. Jose, the Cuban coffee came right in time. And I'll put the final touches on the watch list. We'll get that sent out to you, squared away in an email right away. I don't normally stream on Fridays. However, tomorrow I will be streaming. Boom! I will be streaming tomorrow. I don't normally stream on Fridays. I like to sleep in a little bit on Fridays and relax because I'm on a microphone all day, guys. And I'm not on a microphone just for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour like most people. I'm on the microphone all day long. So I usually take Friday mornings off. However, from YouTube, I'm on the Discord. However, tomorrow I will be streaming. Dwayne says, come join the Discord, well worth it. Say hi, I'm Double D28. That's Dwayne's screen name in the Discord, guys. Double D28. All right, guys. Well, it is 9 o'clock. I got to get these final touches on the watch list, get it over to Joel, and also he doesn't text me and say, hey, where's the watch list, Jesse? So you can send that to your inbox, and then I got to get to work with the team in the Discord, all right? I'll see you all out there. I hope you manage your risk out there today. Trade right, make some money, and I hope we're all on the same side of the trade. Otherwise, I don't know, the people from DTC will probably have an edge on you. Have yourself a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.